So what you need to do for the ice cream is get some ice cubes. I don't have any, so I have frozen some in some ice cube bags, and then we will see about that later because it takes 2 to 3 hours. Next, you're going to put half the same amount of cream that you had in here, of blue milk in here. And then place this into this. You're going to add a teaspoon, not a teaspoon, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're going to get another resealable bag. Oh, I'm going to set this up. Another resealable bag, and then put some ice, and then you're going to grab some salt and put the salt inside with the ice. So you can just use plain table salt. You will need to put more ice in. I just don't have a lot because I wasn't prepared. So next you're going to put one of these mixtures in here. I've done 2, so you would only have one of these. Place it in there and then shake for 7 to 10 minutes, and you should get ice cream. Okay team, so this is what it should look like after you've shaken it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to be nice and yummy. You just unlock it and then eat it. And it should, I'm just doing this with one hand, sorry, look like this. You can see. Enjoy guys.